Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix if Threads lag out not working. So to start, you can force close and reopen Threads. So simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. So swipe up from the bottom, then swipe away the Threads app and open it again and see if that works. Next is to check the correct logout option. So to log out, open Threads, then tap your profile in the bottom right corner. Click Settings in the top right. Now scroll down to the bottom and select Log Out. So it's the red word at the bottom. So click on that and confirm when prompted. If you don't see the option, you can update the app first. So to update the app, go to App Store or Play Store, then search for Threads and click Update if you see an update option in here. So click on that to update it to the latest version. Once done, reopen it and see if that works. Now, if none of these fixes work, you can report the issue through Threads. So go to Threads, then go to your profile, then click Settings in the top right, then scroll down and look for Help. Click on that and click Report a Problem. So, as it may be a bug affecting your account or app version. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.